All right, so this is the worst computer ever. Okay, so we're just going to continue questions 9, 10, 11, 12 in this video. When it finishes load, I'm scared to stop recording. Okay, there we go. So here we go. Again, we have a negative exponent, not cool where it is. So I'm going to write the 4 and the r to the 4 because they're okay. This guy's not happy in the attic. We're going to bring him to the basement. Make him positive. Make him happy. Okay. Since there's nothing left on top, we're going to use 1 as a placeholder and make it a fraction. 4, nothing we can do there. And then r to the 4th times r to the 1st is r to the 5th. You just add your exponents. Cool. So that would be your final answer there. All right, question 10. They're both not cool where they are. So this guy needs to come to the bottom. You need to just sort of switch places. This guy to the top. And then we remember, when you have them on top of each other like that, you have to subtract. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Where does it go? Remember, it's got to go where the bigger one is, okay? And just to remind you, right, x to the first is x, x to the second is x times x, cancel. That's why it stays in the denominator. The bigger the variable goes to where the exponent was bigger. So 2 minus 1 is 1, and he's going to hang out in the bottom. 1 is a placeholder. And then we really don't actually write ones because mathematicians are weird. So you got 1 over x. So for question 10, you got 1 over x. All right, here we go with 11. Right off the bat, what's 2 divided by 2? Those boys cancel. Let's just get rid of them. Gone. All right. This a to the 4 is cool where he is. Right? This one's okay. This one's not okay. We need to move him. All right. So cleaning it up, we got 1 as a placeholder. 4 plus 4 is 8. So we got a to the 4. 1 over a to the 4. So let's do question 12. Okay, 2/3. Can't simplify. Nothing to do there. And then we're looking at our x. All right, x to the third, x to the second over x to the third. Remember, you're just going to subtract, and so that's, 3 minus 2 is 1. Where do we put it? We're going to put it in the bottom because this 3 is bigger, so the leftovers stay there in the bottom. So really just cleaning it up a little bit, 2 over 3x would be your final answer.